Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am so funny. Make sure you subscribe, be a part of the Glam Squad, hit the bell to get notification whenever I post a new video. Oh my god, you guys, I am so freaking excited. It's a new month, finally, new beginning. I feel like my 2020 started today. February took forever to end, girl.
Hey y'all, I already did my brows off camera. We're going to move on to the eye, and I am going to use this concealer I bought from Walmart. Maybelline. I don't know if you guys can see it.
For today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how I completed the look. I know you all like it. Just kidding. I know some of y'all do though. So please keep on watching. I'm going to use some crazy products. I mean, not crazy, but I will be using them on the wrong spot. I'm going to teach you guys you don't really need certain products to slay your makeup. This look is very simple. I only use 10 products. Yes, girl, 10 products. For my beginners, if you are not familiar with color correcting eyelids before eyeshadow, I am using the concealer because it helps the eyeshadow to stick down and pop the color out more. So make sure you blend it very smooth with the concealer blending brush. So right now, I'm taking my sultry eyeshadow palette by Profusion, and I'm going to go in with this purple right here. I'm going to place it all over my crease. See how I'm tapping the color in one spot? Because purple is a very rich color and sometimes can be hard to blend. So I'm tapping it half in the middle of my eyelid, then take whatever left on the brush, blend the edges in sweeping motion so that we can have a soft and dark purple look. When using another eyeshadow, you won't be too harsh. You always want that ombre effect to show in between. So now I'm going to go in with this color right here called Wonder to blend the edge a little bit more. I'm taking this Lucent Shimmer Purple eyeshadow by LA Colors and kind of blend it in the middle. I'm going back to the palette and take this color right here. I am placing it in my inner corner. I think it will look nice with the purple, so whatever. I'm just picking random colors. So next I am drawing my wing. Y'all already know this is the only eyeliner I have used, Palladio liquid eyeliner. I am in love with the applicator, you guys. It's very easy to use. I am going in with my L'Oreal Voluminous mascara, then put on lashes. Now I am wiping any falling out of the Lucent Shimmer eyeshadow. You're supposed to do this every time you're done with your eyes. Now I'm taking my new favorite Maybelline Fit Me foundation in number 256 and apply it all over my face with a foundation brush, then blend it in with a beauty blender. When blending your foundation, make sure you bring it down to your neck and the ears. This is one of my pet peeves, you guys. When your foundation doesn't blend with your neck or match your neck, it looks like a mag. So take your time to blend. It's not cute at all. To highlight, I'm going to use this bright Maybelline Fit Me foundation number 245. Yes, girl, it's a foundation, okay? I'm not crazy. I told y'all it's a new month. I'm trying new things. I'm going to be doing me, okay? Period. I'm doing this for my new supporters, especially my makeup beginners. You guys don't really need a lot of expensive product to slay. You will still look good with just foundation. I just want to line up my under eyes a little bit. I know it's too light. It's going to be fine once I blend it. This part is not necessary, but if you want to look more awakened and happy, then do it. To set where I highlighted, I'm going in with my old favorite banana setting powder and blend the powder in. To contour, I'm gonna use this Maybelline foundation in number 380. Girl, I'm telling you, if you wanna start doing your makeup so bad and the only thing you have is foundation, you can slay your face. You don't need that $100 concealer, $300 foundation whatsoever. So now start doing your makeup. If this doesn't apply to you, don't drag me in a comment. I wasn't talking to you, boo. I feel like this is a good technique for beginners to play with. These products are very lightweight and easy to blend. Don't mind me, y'all. I'm home alone playing with my old makeup. I have them for 3 years now, especially the bright one. I have never used it before, so I don't want to waste anything. So why not be playing with it? I'm not going anywhere. Let's have some fun. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Melanin blush, then go in with my Way to Glow highlighters by Beauty Treats. I'm going to use this lipstick and lip gloss by Hard Candy. I love this so much, you guys. I think it looks good on me. What do y'all think? To finish up, I'm setting my face with my Black Radiant Setting Spray. Then go in my bottom lashes with my L'Oreal Volumes Mascara. This is it, you guys. I really hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, share this video with someone you know who would love to start doing their makeup. Thank you for watching. I love you guys so much. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.